How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how many push-ups per day to lose chest fat step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step process in how to get rid of that chest fat. So the fact that you guys are even watching this video, you're wanting to do the push-ups, that's great, because one of the easiest way to get rid of chest fat obviously is training, but you got to make sure that you're training correctly. Training and eating in a caloric deficit, that's how we're going to get rid of the chest fat. Doing just random sets of push-ups, training every day, every other day, doesn't matter. But not having a good solid workout program, you're not going to get rid of your chest fat. So again, make sure you're eating in a caloric deficit, you're losing weight, you're eating less. With the training, this is what I'm going to recommend. This is what I would do. This is what I've done before. The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to do 5 sets. In between each set, take a 2-minute break. So the first set I want you to do as many push-ups as you can, but save about 4 to 5 reps in the tank. So basically what that means is don't go all out. Don't try to do as many push-ups as you can in a row. Save some for the next set. The second set, again, just try to get as many push-ups in a row as you can, but save some reps. The reason why I'm saying to save some reps, because you want to try to get the same number of repetitions throughout all 5 sets. So if your first set, if you do 50 reps, you go all out, you're just destroyed. Your second, third, fourth, and fifth set, you're not going to get 50 reps. You're probably going to get like 30 reps and then 20, 15, and then 10 reps. Try to keep the push-ups similar to each set. So that just means the first set, you don't go all out. The second set, you don't go all out. You're training with some endurance, if you will. So again, do as many, try to get as many push-ups as you can, obviously, but not going towards failure. And then what I want you guys to do is I want you to keep track of that number. Let's say in those 5 sets, you managed to get 20 push-ups each set. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. 20 reps, 5 sets. What I want you to do is the next day, take a day off. Don't do anything. Take a day off. Rest. Your body needs rest. The day after, I want you to try and get 5 sets of 21 reps. So that is a 1 rep increase across all 5 sets. Now, if you can, that's awesome. If you can't, and let's say only the first 3 sets you get an extra rep, that's fine too. Then you're going to take another rest period, another rest day. The next day, you're going to try to get 5 sets of 22 repetitions. You're going to continue doing this up until about 50 repetitions. At that point, it might be a little more difficult to keep increasing after a rep. So you might have to change up the training program slightly. But that is what I recommend. You do this. If you're able to do 5 sets of 50 push-ups in a row, your chest is going to be pretty ripped. You're going to lose that chest fat. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.